But the BJP has come down heavily on Kapil Sibal for announcing a probe into the 2G spectrum policies from 2001 to 2009. Now that, in fact, bringing the BJP-led NDA government under the scanner. BJP leader Murli Manohar Joshi slammed the minister earlier for announcing the one-man probe outside Parliament. He, in fact, called it a breach of privilege.
The general practice is not to make any announcement regarding any policy when the Parliament is in session outside the Parliament.
Mr. Shah, also, do you think the fact that he's talking about a probe from 2001 brings the NDA and the BJP also
whatever he can talk is a different thing. We don't accept all that. But the question is that the manner in which he announced it is highly objectionable and may invite privilege.
Are you worried that he's the BJP and
I'm not at all worried. Our
Our
party is not at all worried about it.
All right, let's just cut across to the Telecom Minister Kapil Sibal, who's making a statement.
Parliament, but it also means the privilege to obstruct running my ministry. I wish the leader of the opposition had been more thoughtful and circumspect when he enunciated the law of parliamentary privileges. For one's vision should not be blurred in enunciating the law when one is obsessed with politics. राज्यसभा में विपक्ष के जो नेता हैं उनका मैं शुक्रगुजार हूं कि आज उन्हें मुझे समझाया कि भाई पार्लियामेंट्री प्रिविलेजेस का असली मायना क्या है। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जहां तक बीजेपी का सवाल है उनका पार्लियामेंट्री प्रिविलेज केवल इतना ही नहीं कि पार्लियामेंट को चलने नहीं दें, लेकिन हटकर ये भी है कि मेरी मिनिस्ट्री को भी नहीं चलने देंगे। मैं उम्मीद करता था कि विपक्ष के नेता जब बयान देने वाले थे तो वो कुछ सोच के बयान देते, क्योंकि कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि अपना नजरिया उसमें थोड़ा विजन ब्लर्ड हो जाता है अगर पॉलिटिक्स से इतना ऑब्सेशन हो।
So what the BJP